Morning, this is Matt with MSD Curbing. This is another one of our custom hand carved stones. This one is kind of unique. It's a part of a New England slate, and we also put in some petrified wood stones into there. Now there are, let's see, 5 different colors in this curve. Started out with sandstone base, a little bit of cream, charcoal, green, and brown. Now I just got done sealing this curve, so it's going to take a little bit of time for these colors to come out and everything. See that petrified wood, petrified stone look to it. If you like this type of design or any other ones, please give me a call on my cell. 910-3665, 910-3665, msdcurbing.com, Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube videos, Instagram. Pretty much whatever you can imagine. Thank you.